Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of indoor plants for small living rooms. From the hardy snake plant to the vibrant spider plant, we have got you covered. Stick around from simple care tips and turn your cozy space into a green heaven. Indoor plant is a small living room. Bring loads of bricks. First off, they boost air quality actually like little green superhero that filter out toxics. So you get to breathe in cleaner, fresh air. How cool is that? Plus, these plants are like natural decoration, adding a touch of beauty and freshness to your space. It is not just about looking good, it is about feeling good too. Imagine a cozy corner with vibrant greenery. It instantly filtered the mood. Also, indoor plants are low key companions, easy to care for, and they won't take up much room. So, whether you are into plant painting or just want a chill vibe in your small living room, indoor plants are your friendly, stylish lie. Meet the snake plant, your low maintenance green buddy. This indoor plants is a superstar at purifying your air and can happily bask in low light. Worried about forgetting to water it? No problem. The snake plant is thought and resilient, making it perfect for beginners. Place it in corner on shelves or even in your bedrooms to enjoy its benefits. It does not mind a bit of neglect and will keep on the thriving. Remember, less is more when it comes to watering. Let the soil dry between sip. With the snake plants by your side, you have got a stylish air purifying companion that can turn any small living room into a green heaven. Introducing the photos, a photos that is not just green but a versatile beauty. Photos is like the cinnamon of plants, easily adapting to different lighting in your cozy living room, whether it is bright sunlight or a bit of shade. Photos thrive anywhere. Now for the exciting part, taking care of your new green friend. Photo is super forgiving, making it perfect for plants parent beginner, whether it when the water it when the top inch of soil feel dry and it's happy. Plus it gracefully trails, adding a touch of nature elegance to your space. So if you are looking for a low maintenance, adaptable and stylish plant companion, photo is your go-to green buddy. Meet the Z plant, perfect for low light sport. It is not just stylish with its modern look, it is also a camp at cleaning your indoor air. Z plants are like nature is air purified, making your home fresher. Now taking care of these beauties is a breezy. They don't demand much water, so you won't need to be a plant pro. Keep it simple, water sparing, and let the soil dry between sip. Plus, jet plants are thought cookies that they can handle forgetful watering. So if you want a cool, low maintenance plant buddies that adds flair to your space and keeps the air clean, that is the way to go. Spider plants are timeless and super easy to care for. They are like the rock star of indoor greenery. Not only do they look cool with their arching leaves, but they are also companions at purifying the air, making your small living room fresher. These plants are chill with different light level. They can handle both bright and indirect light like a breezy. Now for the care parts, keep it simple, water them when the top inch of soil feels dry and they will be happy. Don't stress about it too much. A little grooming now and then. Sniping of yellow leaves it all they need for optimal growth. So if you want a classic fuss free green companion, spider plants are you go to plants. Succulent are perfect for small space because they are tiny and fit anywhere. Their unique looks like roasted shapes and vibrant colors add a cool touch to your room. You can choose from versus types. Taking care of them is easy. Use soil that drains well, preventing water from drying them. Succulent don't like being too wet, so let the soil dry out between watering. Remember, less water is better than too much. Place them in spot with sunlight, but they can handle shade too. Succulent are like small stylish companions for your living space, bringing nature's charm without any fuss. Today we are diving into the world of indoor plants for small living rooms. Tell me, what is your go to plants? Drop your thoughts below and let's chat about how these green buddies transform cozy space.